I'm going to keep telling you over and over again. Most people overcomplicate this game. This is not rocket science. This is not brain surgery. And I have a team of kids. I have a trading kids program. I've got 300 plus kids that are aged between 10 and 15 from all over the world. These 300 plus kids, right? They trade better than adults. You know why? Because they don't overcomplicate it. I tell them, look at the 20-period moving average. Which is doing? It's going up, Oliver. So then what are you supposed to do? You're going to play long, buy, or you're going to go short, play down? No, I'm going to play with the 20-period moving average. Okay, well, where are you going to buy more often than not? Where are you going to buy? I'm going to buy near the 20, Oliver. All right, where are you going to take profits? Away from the 20, Oliver. Where do you want your color changes to be taken? Near the 20-period moving average, Oliver. When you lose, how much are you going to lose? 1 bar, Oliver. How much are you going to go into the stock with? Half of my account, Oliver. What are you going to do with the other 25,000? The next signal, as long as I'm near the 20-period moving average, Oliver. I mean, do these little parts sound complex to you? If you can count to 3, you can do this. 3 tactics, elephants, tails, color changes. And then the rest are 2s. All right? 2 moving averages. 2 color bars. 2 states, narrow, wide. Near the 20-period moving average, away from the 20-period moving average. I mean, it's frustrating when I see traders overcomplicating things because it doesn't have to be complex. And so this is where it's not a 92% failure rate. When you do these things, the failure rate is not 92%. Do you understand? It's 92% when people are watching videos on YouTube and think they're professional traders. No training, no education, no guidance, little bit of money, not trading the right way. That's the whole group experiences a 92% failure rate. But from you following a method, tactics, with limiting your losses properly, now it's not the group of traders doing that does not have a 92% failure rate. I'm talking about the global failure rate. Do these simple things and you will stand head and shoulders above everything. And I can put any chart in front of you and you'll be able to say, that's a buy. That's where I put 25,000 in. This is where I protect myself. This away area is where I take profits. And this is how I walk myself to being away. Wow. If you can do that, I've got all the money in the world for you. You will never have to worry about money. Do you understand? You will never, ever in your life have to worry about. If you can do these steps, you will never worry about money for the rest of your life. I've just got to get you to do it. I've got to get you to be dedicated to it. I've got to get you to consistently apply these basic things. That's my job. But once you've got it, you will never have to worry about money again, ever. And you will never risk your family's money, not a single penny. And if you lose doing what I've taught you to, I will take the loss. That's my loss. That's my failure for not getting you there. But I know I can. Do I have failures? Of course. This whole industry has I have traders that just can't make it. But it's not because of me. It's because I can't get them to take 1 bar stop. 1 bar stop. That's the number one reason. I can't get them to take your profits away. What are you being greedy for? It's time to take the money. I can't get them to only enter near the 20. And I can't get them to play with the 20. If the 20 is rising, you go long. If the 20 is declining, you bet down. They try to get fancy and do the opposite. Now, there's times to do the opposite, but they do it all the time. And so the ones that don't make it, they're the ones not disciplined enough to follow these basic things. And guys, let's face it. How many people in life are really disciplined? How many people in the world really do what they say they're going to do? Very few. So there's always going to be the few. Always, in anything. There's the few that make it into professional sports. There's the few that make it to the top of their corporate job. There's the few in everything. There's the few people that go out and work out religiously like they're supposed to every day. There's the few that eat correctly and keep themselves healthy. There's the few that make it to the finish line in a marathon. There's always the few. Your question to yourself has to be, do you have what it takes to be the few? Do you have what it takes to do what you know you should do? Do you have what it takes to limit your losses to 1 bar? And as simple as that is, the majority of people can't do that. Won't do it. They can, they won't do it. This is not gambling if you're playing the game this way. If you're playing the game with no method, no plan, no structure, no strategy, no tactics whatsoever, you're just waking up on Monday hoping it's different from Friday and waking up on Tuesday hoping it's different from Monday, like success is just going to one day fall from the sky, then you're not going to make it. But if you've got structure, you've got strategy, which you're going to have with me, all right? You know specifically how to protect yourself, where to get in, when it's time to take when you've got these basic components, the only thing required now is to repeat, do it over and over and over and over again. And what that does is build your experience. And then once that experience gets to a certain point, boom, you've arrived and you're done. And your life is totally different after that. You will be capable of making more money in 20 minutes than most people in the world make in a month. And that's real. But you've got to do the right thing. Of course. Okay.
I hope I made myself clear. If you have any questions whatsoever, just jot them below. I will try to answer every single one. If you like this brief little talk on a tiny little subject, which I plan to do more frequently here, please hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe by clicking the bell in the upper left-hand corner. And once again, leave a comment. Let's help the algorithm. And let's help this message get out to as many people as possible. So next time, traders, trade well. Ciao for now. Boom.